Hey guys, so we're here. It's evening. I see girl. It's been a while. It's been a while, man.
Yeah, I know it's been a while.
How are you, man?
God, I love that song. I hate you, Inuyasha. I hate you so much. At saka thought I don't hate Inuyasha. It's an awesome anime. And the cosplayers of Inuyasha on Tumblr are amazing. Follow me on Tumblr, catmanuel.tumblr.com. That's KATMANUEL.tumblr.com. Follow me!
Okay, that is something to be awkwarded about. Anyway, so it's been a while. It's already summer, and Icy Girl and I are
It's
already.
summertime.
Yeah, her commercial. So as I was saying, Icy Girl and I are already graduates. Yay!
We got no sleep till summertime. We've been waiting for it all through the year. There'll be no sleep till summertime. Waiting for it all through the year. For summertime.
So that was Icy Girl singing in a crazy
Summertime by T-Squad. Gosh, I love Booba Stewart so much.
Yeah, sure. Anyhow, so just
Then for 165, Shirley and Mindy.
Ano ba event mo?
cool. Okay, you first.
So this is my new iPod, and I'm currently listening to Love's End by in the Inuyasha OST. So here's the dish. Apparently, Arnie has a freaking boyfriend. Amazing. How could she get a boyfriend? Yeah. Well, she got one. I say it's fair. She got a freaking boyfriend. Ew. Just so mushy. He calls her Heart Prince. Heart Princess. Oh God. What? What? What?
Cat.
Brand, di ba yung malaki?
She loves Earl Papatko.
I do not love Earl Papatko. I repeat, I do not love Earl Papatko. Boo.
Yeah, sure. But you say, oh, Papatko has a girlfriend na pala. According to insert name.
According to the Sugarfield there, no, I do not give a damn.
Okay, can you tell me who is? Peace.
Sino may birthday?
Ate Cho.
With the Guitar of Liberty.
Mike, Ate.
You shall build a turtle fence. You shall build a turtle fence.
Kasama si Ate Jo.
Well, Michigan word for a turtle fence is exactly what you think it is. A turtle fence keeps turtles from hitting by cars. The turtles that were climbing turtles couldn't climb over the turtle fence. Why? It was turtle proof. How? It was 3 feet high. Same thing, bird.
Birthday sa'yo!
Dali lang po, nagsasandok na.
Build a turtle fence. Build a turtle fence. You shall build a turtle fence.
Kami na pala agad.
Sino po, sinabi po ni Carol na
Build a turtle fence. Build a turtle fence. Turtles are becoming doctors. We need our defense. So shall we protect ourselves? We shall build a turtle fence.
Mike!
Ba't kasi nakalagay dyan?
He's different kind of Republican.
Dahan-dahan ka lang.
I'm Scott Brown, and I drive a truck. Rock stars.
Tara na, gusto na tayo. Coin, ready? Gabihin kayo.
Hey,
G,
Joe.
Dad, halika kayo dito.
Sige,
Jobs, jobs,
Hindi
jobs.
nga nabili ng ice ng ano eh. Cake, baya ko okay na.
Wait lang.
Hey, Daddy.
So this ends everything, guys.